मुरमुरे के लड्डू।
Three cups of roasted murmur puffed rice. 1 cup of jaggery good. Heat pan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tsp of water. Add jaggery. Give a nice mix. Stir continuously. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add murmur puffed rice. Give a quick mix. Jaggery and murmur are combined well. Turn off flame. When it is warm, start making laddus. Grease beyond palms and make round laddus. Press gently and make round shape laddus. Yummy murmur laddus are ready. Enjoy this tasty and sweet laddus in winter. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.